Hello everyone. Today we are going to learn about the Comparing Quantities Chapter 8, Exercise 8.1. In this session we are going to solve the solved example also from the book and Exercise 8.1 unsolved examples. Now we'll solve Exercise 8.1, that is find the ratio of. First sum is rupees 5 to 50 paisa. You can see here 5 is in the rupees unit and 50 is in the paisa unit. So before solving we have to make first the unit same. So to making it same, we'll convert it rupees to paisa. 1 rupee is equal to 100 paisa, that we all know. So now 5 rupees will become what? 5 into 100, that is 500 paisa. So our ratio now is, in place of 5 rupees, I'm going to write it as a 500 paisa and 50 paisa. This ratio I can write it into the fraction form also, so that you can divide it very easily. So 500 upon 50. You can do the division, that is 50 ones are 50, 50 tens are 500. So my ratio is now 10:1. This way you can solve further more examples which is given here. But before that, don't forget to make the unit same. Our next sum is 15 kilogram to 210 gram. So we know this. 1 kg is how much? Yes, 1 kg is equal to 1000 gram. So 15 kg will become what? It is 15 into 1000. So it will become 15,000. My new ratio is now, in place of 15 kilogram, I will write 15,000 gram is to 210 gram. So this way, this ratio I'm going to write into the fraction form. So 15,000 upon 210. If you divide it by 3, you will get your 5,000 upon 70. This is not dividing further. That's why you have to stop here. So my ratio is 500:7. Next is 9 meter to 27 centimeter. You know this, that 1 meter is what? 100 centimeter. This is very important and you have to write this sentence here. Then only you can convert it. So 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeters. So 9 meter will become 9 into 100, that is 900 centimeter. Now ratio is my 900 centimeter to 27 centimeter. Now both the units are same, that is centimeter. So you can write it into the fraction form, 900 upon 27. And if you divide it by 9, you will get 100 upon 3. You can see here, you cannot divide this further. So my final ratio is 100:3. Next term is of days and hours. As you all know, 1 day is equal to 24 hours. So 30 days will become 30 into 24, that is 720 hours. So write it into the fraction, that is 720 upon 36. If you divide it further, 36 2s are 72. That's my ratio is 20:1. So like this you can solve these examples, but before that don't forget to make the unit same. But representation should be like this. Now next topic is converting ratio to proportion and getting solution. अभी ratio क्या है, proportion क्या है और इसका solution क्या है, वो explain करने के लिए मैं एक example लेती हूँ. These examples are already given in your textbook. लेकिन अगर solve example भी आप समझ लेते हो, this will help you to solve your exercise 8.1. First, let's understand this example of proportion. A map with the scale 2 cm is equal to 1000 km. What is actual distance between two places in kilometer if distance in map is 2.5? Whenever you're doing the map work, उसमें scale दिया होता है कि map का जो 2 cm है वो actual distance में कितना है. तो यहाँ पे दिया है मैप का स्केल है 2 सेंटीमीटर और वो एक्चुअल डिस्टेंस है उसका 1000 किलोमीटर. बट यहाँ पे पूछा है कि जब भी मैप का स्केल 2.5 सेंटीमीटर होता है तो एक्चुअल डिस्टेंस कितना है. तो जो एक्चुअल डिस्टेंस पूछा है उसे हम लोग अज्यूम करेंगे x. तो उसके पहले ये अंडरस्टैंड कर ले कि इसमें रेशो क्या क्या है. The ratio is given that map scale is to actual distance और map scale है सेंटीमीटर में और actual distance है किलोमीटर में. अभी ये जो क्वेश्चन में जो गिवन है मैं इसे प्रपोर्शन में लिखूंगी. What is given 2 सेंटीमीटर अपॉन 2.5, ये दोनों भी सेंटीमीटर है और मैप स्केल है तो मैं उसे इस तरह लिखूंगी, ये proportion में लिखूंगी. और actual distance which is given, that is 1000 kilometer, and I need to find out actual distance that I am going to assume it as a x. तो मैं ये proportion में लिखूंगी, that is 1000 upon x. But ये की point है इसका कि 2 सेंटीमीटर के सामने 1000 आना चाहिए और 2.5 उसके सामने x आना चाहिए. ये important है. ये proportion अगर आप सही लिखते हो, you can find out value of x very easily. So my proportion is now 2 upon 2.5 is equal to 1000 upon x. Now to find the value of x, I'm going to do the cross multiplication. So 2 into x, that is 2x, and 1000 into 2.5. So my value of x, I'm getting here 1250 kilometer. Same way, we are going to solve this next also. 6 bowls cost 90. So what is the cost of 10 bowls? ये हम लोग दो मेथड से कर सकते हैं. एक है मेथड 1, that is unitary method. Unitary method मतलब क्या होता है? अगर 6 बाउल्स का कॉस्ट 90 दिया है और हमें फाइंड आउट करना है 10 बाउल्स, तो उसके पहले हम लोग करेंगे फाइंड आउट द कॉस्ट ऑफ 1 बाउल. हाउ टू फाइंड इट आउट? द कॉस्ट ऑफ 1 बाउल इज इक्वल टू 90 डिवाइड बाय 6, दैट इज 15. तो 15 ये है कॉस्ट ऑफ 1 बाउल. अगर 1 बाउल का कॉस्ट मिला है, we can find it out 10 bowls cost very easily. Just you need to multiply 15 into 10, that is 150. Now second method is again the proportion method. The ratio है यहाँ पे हमारा cost versus bowl. तो cost के नीचे लिखेंगे cost. एक तो cost हमें पता है 90, 6 bowls का है, और 10 bowls का पता नहीं है. So we will assume it as a x. और बाउल का रेशियो लिखेंगे 6 upon 10. इसे उल्टा नहीं करना है, 10 upon 6 नहीं लिख सकते हम लोग, बिकॉज जब ये 6 बाउल्स होते हैं तभी उसका कॉस्ट 90 है, और जब ये 10 बाउल्स होते हैं उसका कॉस्ट हमें x लिया है क्योंकि हमें वो फाइंड आउट करनी है. नाउ टू फाइंड आउट द वैल्यू ऑफ x, यू जस्ट क्रॉस मल्टीप्लाई इट. 90 into 10 is equal to 6x. Then value of 6 you will get 150. So x is your 150 is your cost of 10 bowls. Now question number 2 from exercise 8.1. In a computer lab, there are 3 computers for every 6 students. How many computers will be needed for 24 students? There are 3 computers and students are 6. But if the students are 24, how many computers will be there? This sum you can solve in 2 methods. One is unitary method and second is ratio and proportion method. So I'm going to explain you first the proportion and ratio method and then unitary method. Whatever you feel easy, you can solve in that way. First proportion method, that before that I'm going to assume x computers required for the 24 students. Now in the proportion and ratio and proportion method, I need to find out what is the ratio. That's why the ratio will become computer is to students. Computer ratio will become 3 upon x because 3 is given and x I need to find out. And for the students ratio, I'm going to write 6 upon 24. But don't forget that you have to write this 6 students in front of 3 computers and 24 students in front of x, because that x we need to find it out. If you represent this ratio properly, you can find it out your value of x very easily. For finding out the value of x, you need to do cross multiplication. You will get 6 into x, that is 6x is equal to 3 into 24. So x is equal to 72 upon 6, that is 12. So you're getting the value of x is 12. For 24 students, computers needed are 12. The same sum you can solve with the unitary method. It means here you have to find out the value of 1. It's given is what? The 6 students are using 3 computers. 24 students will use how many computers? So let's find out the value of 1. I need to send the 6 over here. So you will get 3 upon 6, that is 1 upon 2. 1 upon 2 is nothing but your half. So for 1 students, I'm getting the half value over here. Now let's find the computers for 24 students. Then I'm going to write the 24 into half. That is this 224 I will divide it by 2. I'm getting 12 here. So for 24 students, I'm getting 12 computers. Here question number 3 from exercise 8.1. That is population of Rajasthan 570 lakhs and the population of UP is 1660 lakhs. Area of Rajasthan is given 3 lakhs per kilometer square and area of UP is given 2 lakh per kilometer square. So how many people are there per square kilometer in both the states? And second question is, which state is less populated? So first of all, we'll write what are the given things. You have to represent your sum like this. The given part you have to write first. Population of Rajasthan is equal to 570 lakhs. Population of UP is equal to 1660 lakhs. Area of Rajasthan is equal to 3 lakhs per unit kilometer square. And area of UP is 2 lakh kilometer square. I'm going to solve this sum by using the unitary method. Means what? I have to find out the value of 1. So let's start. I need to find out the people in the Rajasthan per unit kilometer. Per unit मतलब value of 1 only. 1 किलोमीटर स्क्वायर एरिया जो है उसमें कितने लोग वहां पे रहते हैं, वहां का पॉपुलेशन क्या है, वहां पे लोग कितने रहते हैं, वो फाइंड आउट करने के लिए हमें निकालना है पॉपुलेशन ऑफ द राजस्थान डिवाइड बाय एरिया ऑफ राजस्थान. और इसीलिए पॉपुलेशन इज गिवन हियर 570 एंड एरिया राजस्थान का है 3 लाख पर किलोमीटर स्क्वायर, दैट इज 3. So you can divide this, you will get here 190 people per kilometer square. Same way for the UP population, I am going to find it out per square kilometer. 1 किलोमीटर स्क्वायर में कितने लोग हैं यूपी के, वो फाइंड आउट करने के लिए मुझे करना है पॉपुलेशन ऑफ यूपी डिवाइड बाय एरिया ऑफ यूपी. So here 1660 divided by 2, I am getting here 830 people per square meter. This way you will get the answer of this first question, that is how many people are there per square kilometer in both the states. In Rajasthan 190 people and in UP this 830 people are there. Our second question is, which state is less populated? You can compare this 190 and 830 people kilometer per kilometer square. Units are same, that's why you can compare these two values. So that I'm getting less value in 190, that is of Rajasthan state. So less populated state is Rajasthan now.